Whoa. Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Recliner Show. This is a special episode. We received this box from Super Clean. So last month I got an email from a company called Super Clean. They wanted to send me some of their products to try out and give my opinion on. So here we are, they showed up. I thought it was not for real and fake, but apparently it's totally real because this package showed up. So let's open it and see what they've sent us. We've got a Super Clean hat and a Super Clean t-shirt, which I'll be sure to wear when we're doing our video. I've got this Super Clean Easy Spray aerosol can. So this is a Degreaser Super Clean spray. We also have Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. We have another Degreaser spray, and it does say that this is biodegradable detergent, so it'll be interesting to see. I'm most curious to look up all the ingredients and stuff and see how they're going to interact with our septic system. This one is a foaming. We also have a Super Clean floor absorbent. We've also got a little handy dandy chart, usage chart I think. I'll have to look this over. Okay. So it tells us usage ratios on this sheet. We'll go over all that more in depth when we get into our video about this Super Clean stuff that they sent us. Mike, why don't you tell us about our sponsor? How we have a sponsor?
Yeah, I've used it in the past. I'm pretty happy with it.
Today's video is brought to you by Super Clean, who sent us a whole box of their product line, and we are going to test it out on the dead hydraulic pump on the tractor.
It's a filthy, horrible mess, and it's miserable to deal with. So today we'll degrease it. Tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day, so hopefully tomorrow we can get down a little bit earlier and do the actual parts swap, get the new stuff in, and get the thing up.
Today we're going to put Super Clean through its paces.
Yeah, I can't even see like bolts or what I'm supposed to take apart, so.
Oh.
And it's coated in nastiness.
So, okay, Super Clean. I'm excited to try this out. Thank you for sending us stuff.
This will make it a whole lot more pleasant to deal with. So we'll try this foaming stuff, see what it's all about. Just on or off. Simple. Well, it's already moving some of it. That's promising. What I'm seeing so far looks really good. Yeah, it's been dribbling stuff for a little while. Which hydraulics of any age just do. It makes for a miserable mess. So let's let that soak for a couple minutes and see how she goes. I could see the stuff starting to dissolve a little bit as I was spraying it on. It's promising. More pressure. Yeah, it might take a couple passes because it's pretty horrible, and this thing is limited in power.
Oh, I would be very impressed if anything did anything on a first pass with this.
Yeah.
But it's not bad. Well, I'm looking down here. Look down here. I actually have clean spots down here.
I can pretty much see what I need to see. on the first pass. I think I'm going to give it a second pass just because cleaner is better. Those hoses are worse than I thought. Unrelated.
Oh wow.
It's a little more of a tough. I probably had all this crap in a pressure washer after it's done.
Well, I'd say the proof is in the big gigantic hunks of grease sliding down off of the tractor. Wow. Well done, Super Clean.
Oh, that's much better. Ooh, a tag.
That is with a garden sprayer, guys.
Yeah, it does not have a whole lot of power.
That is impressive.
Yeah, I think this is something to keep around.
I'm also going to look up the ingredients and make sure I don't use them in my soap. It's a bit too strong. And I'm seeing like black. Is that part of the part that I'm seeing?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it may have actually been painted black from the factory. The new one's a nice gray.
And that is with 2 passes with Super Clean foaming.
Yeah, I kind of figured the foaming might be the way to go, just so it would hang.
Yeah. Perfect for...
This is pretty nasty stuff.
And this is on hydraulic fluid buildup.
Yep. And who knows how many years of it.
Yeah, very impressive.
You can kind of see where I sprayed.
Yeah.
That'll make the next stage a whole lot more pleasant.
Thank you to Super Clean for sponsoring this video and for sending us their wonderful product. They didn't ask us to say anything, they just said use it and send us a link to the video so we can see what you did. So thanks, guys. Whoa. Is that snow or is that all greasy stuff?
No, it's all grease.
That's all grease. Wow.
Yeah, machines get pretty gross.
Yesterday we cleaned off the old hydraulic pump and some of the frame here with that Super Clean, and it's had overnight to dry off and everything. You can see what a great job it's done. Do you remember how greasy and nasty it was before? Look at that, you can see all the yellow paint. And here's the pump itself. You can see the original paint through some of the grease. There's still grease on it, but this was only 2 passes of that Super Clean foaming. That's really impressive. So we'll definitely be keeping that in our arsenal. Thanks, Super Clean, for the opportunity to do this video.
And thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Love you guys.
And here's the pump itself. And here's the pump and here's...
I can pretty much see what I need to see. I think I'm going to give it a second pass. Just because cleaner is better.
Okay.
But, yeah. It does what it's supposed to do.
All right. Of course, I just filmed that like whistling diesel, so I may ask you to say it one more time.